Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply. Today we're going to discuss the Bona FlexiSand DCS. The FlexiSand DCS has dust collection, LED light, large transport, non-marking gray wheels. As far as dust collection, I'll flip it over and show you how things are ported. It's really well done, well thought out. We have a unique handle feature, which allows us to use a piston and lock it in where we want it. As far as handle, we're not reaching down for a knob or a lever. For storage in the van, we can loosen this up, set that down, and get our smaller height. So they've really thought about a lot of things on this unit. We have ports here, obviously, for our light. That is electrical for our light. And we also have an outlet to plug our vacuum cleaner in. They do have the multi-head from FlexiSand on it. And this multi-disc is 6 discs, and they are 5-inch, about 125 millimeters. And the unit pops on just like a regular block. In fact, it does come with a regular block. And by regular block, I mean, something that you would put a pad on and attach a screen to it to screen a floor with a 16-inch block. You can also bolt paper to this unit, and it comes with a wrench to do that. It's a left-handed bolt. And then we have a pre-pad here for cushioning that paper. So overall, the multi-disc is separate. The unit, FlexiSand, does come with this unit. We have a standard clutch, which is a 10-to-1 motor, or a gearbox, I'm sorry. And the motor on this is 1.5 horses. We're looking at about 100 to 102 pounds with just the regular disc. And when you put the multi-disc on, you're about 111, anywhere from 111 to 115 pounds as far as weight. So this is gonna go on like a standard clutch. And you can see inside here, there is a carry handle, and the carry handle is designed to miss the block when the block is attached. So again, another nice, well thought out feature. And go ahead and take a look at the interior here. As we have dust extraction and our rotation of our buffer, we're picking up a really good amount of dust going into our hose at the top of the chassis. But this thing is designed and ported to get great dust collection. And this custom dust skirt floats. As you can see, it moves up and down like this as you put different grits and or different thickness pads on your driver block. And it is, when I flip it back up, molded into a slot on the outer bumper of the chassis. So again, nicely thought out, well designed product. And we are going to use what do I have on here? I have 40 grit sandpaper on here. It's red heat. And we're gonna sand this swath here. I have metal interface pads on this to make this stiffer. This first pass does not have the metal pads on it, just the 40 grit. So we'll see if we can get a little bit more stock removal, and you can see how it runs. The Bona DCS would just attach right into that power, that outlet, and you'd be good to go. So I have my safety detents here in order to get this to activate and drive. So we have, again, metal interface pads on here, and those units are really grinding the floor. So you can see there's spots where it's smoother and not, and where it's rough is where the floor is cupped a lot, and those steel interface pads really want to get it flat. So you can see I've got good dust collection from the skirt and the vacuum system. You know, I've got a floor that's getting flat. You can obviously see where there's some depression where it didn't get. But overall, you know, going forward and back, you know, we're getting there. There's no weight on this. It is a lighter machine as far as some of the other hybrids that are out there. But overall, between, you know, the large gray transport wheels, the LED light, the carry handles, just everything about how the handle is used for piston up and down, and being able to use the multi-disc head on it.